welcome to Smile Nods Tech Talk here again. I'm going to do a DIY on a MacBook Pro 15-inch screen with Retina display, motherboard 1398. Apparently my card reader is not working on the right side, neither is the HDMI or SD card reader. So we're going to try to do this safely and make sure it works. When we're all done, I'm going to show you how all that works. So stay tuned, and without further ado, let's get to it. Okay. 1.2 is the correct one to take these out. So let's go ahead and try to take these out now. Alright, I guess we're all done here, taking off all the screws. Now it's time to take this back panel off. And there we have it. The inside of a 1398 board. This piece here is what we're going to replace, and that piece will go to this side here. So make sure you have anti-static mats to work on something like this. This is what that looks like outside the package. So kind of see what I'm talking about here. And that all will go just like this here, like that. Alright, you guys, so we're going to be replacing this piece here. It goes this way, just like this. So we'll have to be taking off 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws. Mine came with these ribbons on it. I don't think I'm going to use them. I think I'm going to keep them and unplug from right here and right here, and remove this and install a new one. So alright, let's get to it. So first of all, you'll take a Torx 2.0 and you just put it in here and take this first screw off. Followed by the second screw. The third screws behind these wires. And then these here is just for wire management. So we have to take these off. Take all the wires out of there. Just like so. We'll have the wires out. Make sure they're all out of the way. And then you got another screw over here. Okay. That was a little longer screw, so you know that one goes there. And then you pop this off, and then you take this and pop that off, and the ribbon can come off. There you go. Okay. Alright, now to attach these ribbons. We'll attach this one first. Slide it in there just like so. You just clip. And on this next one, you want to use this side here. And there you go. And that's how you do that there. Alright, now that we have it all put on, we'll just have to start putting these screws back on. I'll start with that one over here by the fan. And then I'll put the other one by this other fan. And then this is just the wire managing deal here. Okay, there you go. It's all put on. Alright folks, and then now to put on the back plate again. So put this back on. Okay, just like that. And then put on back the screws. Put the screws back in. And there you have it. That's how you pretty much install the back cover there. Alright, well thanks you guys. Tune in for more. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, leave some comments down below. If you have any questions, I'll be here. trying to answer them for you. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.